The sleek glass slabs sitting in our pockets have turned into mysterious, sealed black boxes that we are essentially forbidden from opening. If your battery stops holding a charge or your screen picks up a nasty crack, the entire industry seems to shout that you should just toss the whole thing into a junk drawer. They want you to buy a brand new model every single year. This cycle of forced obsolescence is exhausting, expensive, and frankly quite boring. But a new philosophy is starting to take root with the latest generation of the most famous sustainable handset. This device is a direct challenge to the idea that phones should be disposable pieces of fashion. It does not try to win a race for the thinnest frame or the most overwhelming processor on the market. Instead, it focuses on the radical idea of true user ownership. It is a refreshingly compact device. It actually fits in your hand without feeling like you are carrying a heavy glass tablet. The real magic happens when you flip it over. The back comes off without a fight. Inside, you see a removable battery with a solid capacity that keeps you powered up all day. We have all felt that sinking feeling when a 2-year-old phone starts dying by lunchtime. In the standard smartphone world, that is usually the beginning of the end. You either pay a fortune for a professional to heat up the glue and pry the casing open, or you give up. This phone changes that narrative completely. You can just buy a fresh battery and pop it in yourself. It is a simple, common sense fix for the most common reason people get rid of their phones. The design is modular through and through. If you drop it and the display shatters, you can replace just the screen. If the charging port gets loose or the speakers start to crackle, you do not need a brand new phone. You just need the specific module. While you will still need some basic tools to get into the more complex modules, the process is built to be manageable for regular people. This approach is about longevity over flashiness. It is about keeping the hardware in your pocket for half a decade or more. Consider the massive impact that has on the mountain of electronic waste we produce. If we stop throwing away entire motherboards just because a single port failed, the environmental math starts to look much better. Of course, no piece of high-tech electronics is perfectly green. The minerals still have to be mined. The components still have to be shipped across oceans. Energy is used in every step of the process. But by making a device that is meant to be fixed, the creators are giving us a way out of the constant upgrade treadmill. It is a sturdy, practical tool that respects the person using it. It is for anyone who is tired of being told that their expensive tech has an expiration date. This is more than just a gadget. It is a statement about how our relationship with technology needs to change for the long haul.